Are you an on-site service provider, managing repairs, maintenance, or installations at your client's location, and struggling to manage it all every single day? No proper records, no clear references. Your productivity drops and frustration takes over. Flooded with calls, disturbed mid-job, missing clients, and juggling scattered complaints, branded uniforms, flashy ads. They are just replacing you. Enough is enough. It's time to act. Meet MyServiceCircle.App. One powerful app built for you, your service personnel, and your clients. All connected, all in sync. Stay ahead with powerful notifications, real-time updates, and instant action. Because in your business, speed means everything. It's super easy to use. Just tap Add Clients and share the invite link via email or social media. Your client receives it, uploads a few pictures, sets the location, types or records the issue, and done. You get notified instantly. You assign an agent, choose a date, pick a time range, and add a custom note before confirming the visit. Simple, fast, and professional. The agent and client both get updates in real time. Track the agent's journey live, right up to your client's doorstep. And the client knows exactly when help arrives. From booking to resolution, invoices, and service contracts, every tool you need wrapped into one powerful app. Turn your service into a brand. Deliver like the pros, without giving up your identity. Only with MyServiceCircle.App.